tell me that there's no solution to where there is a problem. It's not possible. In any situation where there is a problem, there is always a solution to that. It's just that you haven't discovered it yet. That is why you are stuck in it. In this video, I'm going to show you practical steps on how to use Grok for free.
In fact, we are going to transit
to Veo 3 because in this new site that I'm going to show you, they work hand in hand. And you know what? It has free unlimited credits. Unlimited credit. I'm telling you, this is so awesome. And I bet you about 95% of creatives are yet to discover this new method. So stay tuned and watch closely to the end so that you learn and know how
to get yours done.
Now let me show you what I created using this method. Watch closely and see.
I've got the pacing perfect now and the audio is finally balanced. Just a few final tweaks and we're good to go. Adjust the levels here. Good, let's keep that. All right, looking good. Just need to fine tune the color grade here. Okay, perfect. Final render and done.
After you generated these videos, bring it to your editing software or your application to edit the parts you don't want, to cut out the part you don't want, to add some transitions that you want to do, and then you export a video for the final look. If this is the first time of you discovering this channel, that means you are new here. You're welcome to this channel. This is Sylves Ndene. I share educative and informative videos of value. Being a graphic designer and a professional video editor, I share some video tutorials in this channel as well. With that being said, let's dive into the video and show you how to get this done. When you come to your Chrome, I advise that if you're using your mobile device, make sure you turn on desktop mode. Do not forget, turn on your desktop mode in your mobile device to have access to the full features. Now, let's continue. Let's type on these words, Opal. Yes, Opal Ai. Are you getting it? This is the one we are going for, Opal Ai. Now, this is the logo, or let me say this very first site that you are seeing. This is the one we are going to make use of. Do not forget, this is the first one we are making use of. Don't try any other but except this. Now, let's click on it. Good. Now it has opened. This how the page is going to look like. Are you getting it? So to continue, we are going to click on try Opal. So to try this, we are going to create our new account. I have my account already, but I'm going to create a new account with this to show you how to get yours done. So I'm going to use my second email, another email, to create this. Continue. Then let's select all. Tick on select all so that all these will be ticked, and then we click continue. Do not forget, all this method is applicable to your mobile device. Just turn on your desktop mode and then you have access to this. Now we click on confirm. So this is the site, this is the interface, this is how it looks like. We are not going to explore any of this because this is not what we are going to look into. What we want to do now is to create new. Now briefly, Opal is an AI site that you can use to create an app. No coding attached to it. So what we want to do is this. We want to create an app. The app that will allow us to use Grok or Veo 3 for free. That's what we want to use. We want this to create, we want to build our own app. So to build our app, we need to input the proper prompt, the right prompt that fits to it. You don't just type anyhow. You don't just type any prompt here. I have the template. I have the well structured prompt that I'm going to place here. Just watch closely. Now, let me come to my Microsoft. These are the prompts. I'm going to copy all of these prompts. Where did it stop? Yes. I copy these prompts. Copy. Then I come back and then describe what you want to build. We want to describe to this AI site what we want to build. Now we click on this very icon here, the space provided, and then we paste our prompt. This is the prompt in which we want to use. We have described everything that we want. Now to have access to this prompt, if you are subscribed to this channel, comment with the word prompt. You are in need of this prompt. I'm going to send this prompt to you. The complete everything I'm going to use to do this, I'm going to send it to you. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, because if you didn't subscribe to this channel, you won't have access to it. So it's one of the benefits of my subscribers. So if you want to have access to this do well to subscribe, like this video, and then comment. If you do that, I will get notified. I will know if you have done that. So please do well to subscribe, and then I'm going to send this to you. Do well to do that. Now let's click send. We are going to wait. It's going to take a while for it to process and check this prompt to understand the prompt before it brings out the outcome. So we wait for a few seconds while it finishes processing. This is the next step. The interface is brought to us. We are going to click on start. We are going to describe our video idea. To describe our video idea, we are going back to my Microsoft and then copy this video idea that I have already created and make it ready for easy copy and paste. I come back and then I paste it here. I click on enter or this icon here to send. Next step here is to select our video's mode. What is the mood that we want to make use of, the mood that we want this video to to replicate or to have. So we are going to copy this and then we return back, we paste, and then we send. So the next step here is choose visual style, the visual style we want. So we want to choose our visual style. We'll click return back here to our file, we copy, we go back, and then we paste and enter. So we are going to set our video duration. You can set any duration of your choice, but I will go with 8 seconds because I think 8 seconds is it will flow well and make it more precise. So I type in 8 seconds and then click enter. So this is the next step. We are going to upload an reference image, but it says upload an optional reference image, but we want to upload an image. Actually we want to upload an image, so we are going to click on this plus icon and then upload from device. Select that very image that you want to make use of to replicate or to have that your AI generated video done. So we are going to select this image. This is the one I'm going to make use of. So we are not going to type anything from this junction. We are just going to press send because as you can see it is written press send to continue. We click on send and then we are going to wait patiently for this to process and then bring out our results. So we have to wait patiently. Let's wait. So this is the result that he has given to us. We are going to play it, but before I play it, I want to let you know that there may be some slight difference to the first one I generated. There may be some difference. So let's play it and see.
Okay, here, let's make the cut right here. That transition needs a little more punch. Better. Now, level out the audio track.
Good, you see? So now if you want to play it in a full form, you can come to app here. So it's going to play it like in a more large scale, like expanded form for us. So let's play it.
Okay, here, let's make the cut right here. That transition needs a little more punch. Better. Now, level out.
Good. So now let's go back to our editor. We want to continue because the first one that I did has about 19 seconds. You get it? So I generated this prompt 3 times. I did this 3 times. So now let's go back to our file here, and then I'm going to copy these prompts. This is the continuation for the second scene. Are you getting it? I'm going to copy it, copy, and then we return back again. So what I want to do is this. I will come back here, edit these steps. Are you getting it? I'm coming back here, edit these steps, and then I paste the prompt and click send. So now as we did this, it's going to bring out, let's refresh it here. All right, the refresh button is not working here. So what we are going to do while it is still loading here, this is what we are going to do. We'll click on start again. Are you getting it? Just to avoid this delay, we'll click on start and then describe our video idea. We paste it here and then click send. Select mood. We are still returning back again to select our mood. We copy, we come back and then we paste it. We click send again We choose our style, the same process, and then we return back, paste, and then send. Video duration 8 seconds. Click send, and then we are still going to upload our image again, our reference image. We want to achieve second scene. We want this to continue. We'll click and then we'll upload it. Let's click send and let's wait for it to finish the processing and bring out the result for us. So here's the result. I forgot for the first generated one that we did, we are supposed to download it. I forgot we didn't download it. So when you click on this icon, this three icon here, you press on download and then it's going to be downloaded, and you are just going to give it a name that you remember. Let me just give it AI. Let me just say AI video, and then I save it. It's going to be downloaded. You see, it's downloaded into our device. So we can preview it here and then we can choose not to. Now for the third scene, the third scene, what we are going to do is this. I'm going to get rid of this, but before we get rid of that, let's refresh the page. After we refresh the page, we want to start up the process again. Good. We click on start and then describe our video idea. Let's go back. Where is our video idea? I'm going to bring it back again. This is where we are going to complete everything now. Video mode, we go back and then bring it back. We paste style, the visual style, clean and cinematic. We go back, we paste. Good. Duration. Good. And then our image, we still bring back that image again. You can generate this more than 3 to as many number you can, but I'm just showing you what I did, the first method, the first video that I show you on the intro of this video, the generated image. I'm just showing you the process I took. You can generate it once, twice or more. Are you getting this? But I'm just showing you the process I took. This is the process I took to get this done. So I press send. Let's wait for it. As usual, it has to process it, everything, and then bring out our result. Now let's wait. So we can see this is our result. Let's play it and see.
Okay, let's nail this transition just a little. Perfect. Looking great.
All right, let's download it. AI video 2. This is the name that I'm going to save this. Good. So now it is now saved. So the next step that I want to do to finalize this, to give it a good look, I'm coming back to my editing software. As you can see, this is the first one I showed you. This is it. So now let me get rid of this. Good. And then I'm going to bring back those ones I downloaded. Good. Remember, I forgot to download the first one we generated. I forgot to do that. And then we'll bring this here. Let's play it and see.
Okay, let's nail this transition just a little. Perfect. Looking great.
Good. This very first one, there is no much speaking on this. It's just more of like motion, just movement, and I didn't really like this one, this very outcome. I didn't like it. But let's start on the second the last one, I mean, and let's see. Let me view it complete. Let's see it.
Okay, let's nail this transition just a little. Perfect. Looking great.
I think this one is better. In fact, I really love this one. I really love this one. This one is so giving. So this is the method. This is how you get this done. This is how you get this done. You can tweak in the settings, tweak in the prompts to ensure that the video idea you want, to ensure you get the best possible outcome. If you don't like what it has given, try another video idea again, and then you see the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave in the comment if you are my subscriber, and if you don't subscribe, I'm going to share with you. Do not forget, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to share all the steps I took. I have this document that I just showed you. I'm going to share it with you. Don't forget to like this video and then share it also with someone that will find this interesting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps, and I believe it will actually help. See you in another video.